Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. All right, you guys, it's grocery haul day. It's Wednesday and we do groceries on Wednesday. So now, it is day, let me think. Saturday was 0. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Day 4 of Whole30, 26 more days to go. And the good news is Whole30's going okay. The bad news is I actually forgot my breakfast this morning, so I'm way behind on all of my meals. I only had lunch and I had a banana, so it gave me the snackies, right? So I stopped and picked up some nuts and some dried fruit because I was hungry and I didn't have anything. I was away from home. I was far away from my house today, so I couldn't even run home to get my, get my breakfast. I walked out and forgot it. And then I had to go to a meeting down to the central services. And so that was way far. And then I had to go to the gym. And then it's grocery shop day. So it is after 7 o'clock. I'm just getting home. And I'm going to eat my breakfast that I left at the house now. I'm going to eat it now. I have 4 bottles of water drank. I did 40 minutes of a workout. And then we walked around Walmart for about an hour. So I'm counting it. Y'all, I'm counting it. I'm tired. The one thing about Whole30 is making me tired. And that's only because I'm not on processed foods. I'm not on sugars, what would naturally be in whatever I would be eating. I don't eat sugar as a general rule, but whatever I'm eating would have, natural sugars. And I don't have any of that. So I'm extremely tired. And that workout almost kicked my butt today. It was tough. It was a tough workout. But anywho, I'm going to turn my camera around and show you what I got for groceries. Sister's going to put some bacon on. We're also going to put some potatoes in an Instant Pot so that we can have, and probably this pork, so that we can have some meals for the next few days. So I'm going to turn my camera around, show you what I got. I'm going to sit down and eat a minute, and then we're going to get the bacon, the potatoes, and the pork in the Instant Pots. All right, you guys. So I shopped 2 stores today. I shopped Walmart for everything you see here. And then this date syrup, I got that from Food Lion. It's the only thing I got at Food Lion. They didn't have the best sales today. And so I opted for Walmart because it was closer to where I was at the time. I did have the opportunity to go online and look at somebody's Whole30. They did a blog on what you could get at Walmart for Whole30. And so I'm really shopping off of their list, or, I got some ideas. So we got 10 pounds of... These are russet potatoes. This was the only thing that Food Line had. It was 2 5-pound bags for $6. And this 10-pound bag was $5.97, so it was the same price. I saw this Purdue Harvestland fresh ground chicken was $2.18, so they marked it down. So I picked up 5 of those. We can cook those up at one time. Pork steaks, again, were, it's like $4 per pound, but it was still reasonable price. So I picked up 2 of those. We're going to put season this, put that in the oven. That lasted a couple meals. Mixed cherries in 100% fruit is Whole30 compliant, as well as this great value applesauce cinnamon is Whole30 compliant. Picked up some of this tilapia fillets, bananas. This Smithfield's lower sodium bacon is Whole30 compliant. There's no sugar in the ingredients, so no sugar at all. Jackson asked for strawberries and blueberries, so I picked those up for him. I was looking for chicken broth. This is on the Whole30 approved list, as well as these Adele's chicken and apple sausages. There's no sugar, just the apples itself, so that counts. I picked up 3 of those. And we're going to have some of these with some cabbage. I picked up some nutritional yeast just for some cheesy-like flavor. I picked up Primal Kitchen's organic unsweetened ketchup. I'm going to give that a try. And then this Pompeian Keto Blend extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil. It says buttery, but there's no butter. It's 80% extra virgin olive oil and 20% avocado oil. I did check to make sure. And then Jackson asked for this cultured buttermilk. No clue what he's going to make. I needed coffee because I'm all out, and that is not a thing. Picked up 3 pounds of sweet potatoes. We did a roasted sweet potatoes this week, and it was really good. Picked up some plums. When Jackson was little, he used to call these plumps. he would say, Mom, can I have a plump? And he most certainly could. And then a few nectarines, some feminine items, and some hand soap. And then this date syrup, because I made, Jackson made, not me. He made some Whole30 pancakes. It was almond flour, bananas, and dates. And so this only has ingredients, organic dates. That's the only thing in there. And I knew this from years and years and years ago. I think I saw Hillary on Old World Home using this. I don't know if she was doing Whole30 at the time. This was years ago. And I just remembered it from then because I've done Whole30 since. And they did not have it at Walmart, but they did have it at Food Lion. So that is the grocery haul of the day. Like I said, I'm getting ready to sit down and eat. Jackson already made a big thing of cabbage because I asked him to. So I'm actually going to have some of that. I'm having my breakfast from earlier. This is fish emotion, so y'all don't think I'm an alcoholic. I do not drink. But I had that bottle from somebody gave it to me. And I use it for fish emotion, fertilizer, and water. So it was in a blueberry bush that I was using to water the blueberry bush, but I'm repurposing it. When Jack gets back, we'll cut those two pineapples. We're going to put some of these into the Instant Pot, and we'll do a thing of bacon in the oven. And then what else will go in the Instant Pot? This steak. That's the easiest way to cook it, is just season it up real good, put it in the Instant Pot on a meat setting, let it get tender, and then I can put it in a pan and just kind of give it some color. Oh, I need that. All right, y'all. So here are the potatoes. They're just going to be for meal prep, so they're all done. I'm going to turn that off. Well, we're going to unplug it. And now it's off. Okay, we got potatoes. Those are for a couple of days. And there is the meat. It looks naked or kind of light, but I just wanted it to cook in there, and then I'll put it in the pan and brown it up, or it can go in the oven or the air fryer to brown up. The kids made some bacon. I ate a couple pieces, so there's the rest of the bacon. And this is a brand that I found. It's called Good Crunch Pineapple Bites from Dole. And Banana Bites, of course not sponsored, but I just happen to be looking. And your only ingredients are bananas or pineapple, but it's crunchy. It's not quite like you would freeze dry. It's not freeze dried. It's kind of between freeze dried and dehydrated. I don't know, but it's crunchy, right? It's crunchy, but it's only this particular ingredient. All right, y'all. I'm dragging. And I'm going to bed because I'm tired and I don't have anything else left to give anybody today. Hopefully in the next couple of days I'll be feeling well. Now, I don't feel like I'm deprived from food. I'm just tired. And I pushed hard today. Sydney, the girl I've been following, she typically has been doing 30-minute workouts, and then she's gradually increased to 45. And I'm telling you, I'm just worn slap out. So anywho, I'm going to bed. And I'm going to get back up and do it all over tomorrow. I'm looking over here now at the cabbage. And it looks like Jackson chopped up some of the sausages and put that in the cabbage. So I'll probably have that for lunch tomorrow. Or some of the meat. This morning what I did, because I had some steak left over, I just went ahead and took the meat while I was getting ready and making my breakfast and threw it in the air fryer for like 5 minutes. Got a nice crust on it. And I was ready to go for lunch, and that's what I had for lunch. And I had that with, I think I had some unsweetened applesauce, half a cup. I didn't eat the whole half a cup. Unsweetened applesauce, and I had potatoes, and sweet potatoes is what I had. So there that is. So thank you guys so much for stopping by and joining me for the Whole30 journey. It gets better. I don't remember being this tired last time, but I was not working out I wasn't working out the way I'm working out last time I did it. I have not worked out I haven't done a Whole30 since I've been working out this way. So it's been since August of last year and even before. So I am working out pretty hard. And so I'm sure that's what's That's what it is. Just, I think sometimes when you do certain specific elimination diets, you probably shouldn't strength train as much as I am. But my routine is my routine, and I've been working out for quite a bit now. Every day, every single day. I've only missed 10 to 12 days. I don't even think I missed that many, but I'm giving myself that number. But I'm still working out, and I'm getting after it, and I'm doing it, and I'm gonna feel better every single day. My body looks better every day. I'm not losing any weight, but my body looks good. So my body's changing. I'm building muscle, all that. In the long run, it's going to all work out. So anywho, there it is, you guys. I'm going to bed, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye now.